Hi kids, a very warm welcome to all of you. Hope you all are good, excellent. So now let's continue the chapter number 23, preposition in English grammar. So now in my previous class we had learned about prepositions. So now look here. Here are some pictures. These all are prepositions, okay. This is apple and this is box. So this is the concept of on. The apple is on the box. The apple is in the box. The apple is an apple is inside beside the box. An apple is in front of the box. An apple is behind the box. An apple is between the box. An apple is under the box. An apple is through the box. And apples are around the box. So this is on, in, beside, in front of, behind, between, under, through and around. Now look here. In, behind, in front of, on, between, under, near, beside and above. So now it's time to do bookwork. Filling the blanks with the prepositions given below. Here are some examples. Some prepositions are given here: in, on, to, at, with, for, from, between, after, over and by. The program is dash channel 15. The program is dash channel 15. It's on channel 15. Next is, there is an interesting program dash the TV tonight. On the TV tonight. Monday comes dash Sunday. So Monday comes after Sunday. The sky is dash our heads over our heads. He goes dash church dash Sundays. So he goes to church on Sundays. I stayed dash my aunt dash 10 days. I stayed with my aunt for 10 days. Okay. Next is, I had a letter dash Ashok. I had a letter from Ashok. He often writes to me. There are some sandwiches dash the plate. On the plate. Under the plate? No. We went dash Chennai dash train. We went to Chennai on train. The stars shine dash night. The stars shine in night. At night, sorry. Tia went out dash the rain and caught a cold in the rain. We are waiting dash Peter. We are waiting for Peter. I saw him in the morning. My uncle lives at Noida. Can you meet me dash 5:30? Can you meet me at 5:30? She is dash the garden. She is in the garden. Now next, Manoj is sitting dash Radha and Kiran. So Manoj is sitting between Radha and Kiran. Next is the book is dash the table. The book is on the table. Filling the blanks with suitable prepositions from the box. Here are some prepositions given here: of, on, after, in, with, under, for, to. First is they are talking dash the teacher. So they are talking to the teacher. Like I am talking to you. My father has brought a gift dash me for me. Morning comes dash night. So morning comes after night. The book is dash the table on the table. It is raining, come dash my umbrella. So it is raining, come under my umbrella. The table is made of wood. They are talking dash the class. They are talking in the class. I go to school dash my sister. I go to school with my sister. Filling the blanks with the correct preposition. Now, there is no preposition given here. So, Anubhav wandered dash the pet shop at the pet shop. The painting is hanging dash the wall on the wall. My father is sitting dash me in this photograph. My father is sitting with me in this photograph. We told ghost stories dash night at night. We told ghost stories dash night at night. I go to bed at night. The woman is looking for her daughter. Jim's office is dash the cafeteria. So it is under the. This book is written for me. Next is I wrote a letter dash the pen you gave me. So I wrote a letter with the pen you gave me. What are you doing dash Saturday? What are you doing? What are you doing on Saturday? That's it. So, chapter number 23, prepositions, has been completed. Now, what you have to do? You have to complete that work only in book, okay? And then I will be sending the assignment. You have to complete it and make sure you will learn the chapter. So, now next chapter is 24, conjunctions. We will learn lots of new things, but still you have to wait. So, take care. Goodbye. We will meet you very soon.